Hi, in this video we'll see how to play with color scales, transform this table containing some tourist numbers in 7 cities in a color scales chart that will tell us in what period of time there is very big number of tourists for each city. So going into the details, I'm gonna select all the numbers from January to December for all the cities, and when I go to conditional formatting and color scales, we have some options where we can apply more rules, but in our case let's start with color scales, and we can apply the green, yellow, red color. So in this scale the biggest number it's on the green color and smaller will be on red, and in the meantime the yellow means like a medium value. Also we have the opposite where the red is big and the green is small, and then we have instead of yellow some white, also the biggest and the small with red or green. The other option is to use the green and yellow combined with white, or blue, red and white. In our case, because we talk about some big number of tourists or small number of tourists, for me it doesn't matter if it's a middle. Let's have a look at the white, where the red it's big, so it's a very big number of tourists, so maybe we should avoid, or maybe we want to go when it's really full. It depends on your wish. Let's apply this. So now we have conditional formatting based on color scales. So in January for city 3 we have the biggest number of tourists, meaning probably the city it's on a mountain side or such, and also here can be on seaside because we have a big number of tourists in August. Now to be more readable, let's select again and we'll try to format the numbers in a way that Excel give us a special format. For example, I'm going to custom, and here on the type we will write from the keyboard 3 semicolon symbols that represent basically an invisible number, but it keep the format for us in a back Excel memory. Now what we're gonna do is to exclude the border because it's more readable without it, and here we go. Now we can see that in November and December city 1 it's fully visited, and also city 3. So maybe we can go in city 7 on January, in April we can go in city 3 or 7, and in September we can go in city 4. So